Good evening once again. Today is our day 8 of this capacity building training for 1,000 Nigerian civil servants on ICT, which is organized by Hammad Technologies and Consultancy Limited. So as we said earlier, this capacity training is going to last for 40 days, and today is our day 8. Like always, we start by showing our outlines. That is what we are going to cover for the day. And our outlines for today goes like this, which is a recap on day 6. Yeah, recap on day 6 because day 7 is supposed to be your individual assignment, but due to quiz, so we shifted it to today. Then introduction to MS Word, importance of Microsoft Word, basic features of Microsoft Word, document management, practical uses, Microsoft Word interface, question and answer, and then finally conclusion. So let's start with a recap on day 6. On day 6, that is on Saturday, we discuss on user account. We see how to create user account, how to put a password on your user account, how to create as many user accounts you want in your system. We also talk about email communication, how to communicate, how to send message using email, using BCC, CC. We differentiate between CC and BCC, how to attach a file. We also discuss about that. So moving to our today's agenda, which is introduction to MS Word. Uh, Microsoft Word is a word processing software. Yeah, it's a processing software used to create, edit, and format documents such as letters, report, and memos. And it also improves efficiency, accuracy, and presentation in everyday work. Yeah, Microsoft Word is among we can say, the powerful software used worldwide. Whether you're working in hospital, in administration, in school, in finance, in everywhere you are working, you find yourself working with this Microsoft Word, which is meant for editing and formatting our document. For example, those of us that are working in admin, maybe you want to type a promotion letter to a staff. So no need to pick a paper and pen to start drafting a promotion letter for him. No, you just open your Microsoft Word and start typing. Or maybe you want to publish a memo or a notification. So no need for you to be writing it using marker or on a notice board. So you can just sit down, draft it, and share it. So this is just small introduction of Microsoft Word. And this Microsoft, it has versions. Version 2003, 2010, 2008, 2013, 2016, 2019, and 365, which is the latest version of Microsoft Word. Then moving to our next agenda, which is importance of Microsoft Word. So, importance of Microsoft Word widely used in administration. If you're working in administration, yeah, you'll find yourself working with Microsoft Word. If you're working in education sector, maybe you are a school teacher, definitely maybe if you want to create your schedule of activities or your what do we call it, lesson note, you can use Microsoft Word. If you are working in finance, maybe you are working in bank or something that has to do with money, you find yourself working with Microsoft Word. Health, maybe if you're working in hospital, and also our personal tax. Maybe you want to draft your CV, your cover letter to apply for a job. So you just sit down, or you want to draft your letterhead. So you just sit down, or you want to write a formal letter. You just sit down by yourself using your Microsoft Word and just draft your formal letter without going to anywhere for going to other, no, with other cafes to do it. No, you yourself, you can sit down and use your own computer with your Microsoft Word and do all that. Then it helps in preparing official letters, report, forms, and records. Yeah, it will help you in preparing official letters, maybe proposal letters, report in hospital. Maybe you want to, after you have maybe scan your patient, you have done so test to him. So when you want to write report to him, so you can just draft it using Microsoft Word. Also, we use it to create forms and also record. Then basic features of MS Word. So basic features of an MS Word, we have typing and editing text. Yeah, that's the number one feature of MS Word. We can use it to type and also edit our text. A text that we have typed already. So if we want to edit it, we can use our Microsoft Word. Then formatting. Also, when we finish typing our text. So, like if you look at a newspaper, you see some text are bold, some are left, some are right, some are at the bottom, some are at the top, some are colored blue, some are colored red, some are colored green. So style. You see different style of writing. You see some of what is written on the newspaper is in slant. That's yeah, it looks like something slant. So we use Microsoft Word in doing all that. Or maybe in you are reading, or in some of our documents, in some of our office documents, by opening them, you see, for example, if you are drafting a formal letter, you see address of the receiver, address of the sender at the top right, address of the receiver at the bottom left. So all that formatting, we use Microsoft Word for doing it. Then we also have paragraph alignment and spacing for most especially those that are writing a paragraph project. So each and every paragraph, you have the way to align it. And also we have spacing. Each and this all this spacing that you are seeing between each and every word, there is space. So it's among the features of Microsoft Word, and it's among the features that it can perform. Also, copy, cut, and paste. Yeah, copy, cut, and paste is not only on computer. Yeah, we can also do it in Microsoft Word. You can copy some specific text, or you can cut it, then go to where you want to paste it within your document or outside your document. Then we also have document management. So in also this Microsoft Word will teach you how to create new documents. We teach you how to open Microsoft Word. So by opening the Microsoft Word, how will you create a new document? Yeah, how will you create a new document from that Microsoft Word? And after creating it, after you have typed what you want to type, do what you want to do, how will you save your work? Yeah, because there is no way you just finish your working and just go like that. Or you just go and print it. No, you have to save it, maybe for letter reference or for letter purpose. So we'll show you how to save your work. And also, if you have saved it, so how will you open it? How will you locate it? From from the time you save it, from there you choose the destination you want to save your file. And also, when you want to open it, you have to go to that destination, or you have to go to that specific location or where you store it for you to open the document. We'll also show you that. Uh, also, we'll show you how using folders for organization. Maybe in a department, you have created a folder. So each work you drafted using Microsoft Word for each department, so you save it in that department folder. So we'll also show you how to do that using folders for organization. That's the under document management. Also, we have a printing document. Yeah, if you want to print document or you want to print a memo for notification, you can, or even if you did not type it using Microsoft Word, you can send PDF and open it with Microsoft Word. Then you can edit it and then print it. It's not let's say compulsory you have to type a document using Microsoft. No, you can type it using your phone, convert it to PDF, then send it, open it with Microsoft Word, then edit it there and print it. Then we also have practical uses. So what are the practical uses of this Microsoft Word? Like I said, writing memos and letters. Yeah, writing memos and letters for most especially those that find themselves in administration or in academic line. Then preparing invoice, or for those that find themselves maybe working in finance or some banking institute. So preparing invoice, we can also use Microsoft Word. It's one of the practical uses for you to prepare your invoice. We also have lesson note and assignment for teachers. Yeah, those that find themselves teaching, instead of you to pick pen and paper to be drafting lesson note, you even make yourself tired. I will drafting assignment. But if you are using Microsoft Word, you find it very enjoyable. Find it very enjoyable. You are typing, you just be customizing. Yeah, and as you are customizing, you will say, ah, yeah, it will like just be driving you. As you are customizing, you are getting more enjoyment as you are doing it. Also, we have patient report for those that find themselves working in hospital. You will if you want to write a report, patient report, you can also use Microsoft Word. So now we'll take a tour to Microsoft Word interface. We'll have a small look into this Microsoft Word interface. We'll show you what Microsoft Word interface is all about. We'll explain all the interface today, inshallah, or we'll just like give you a brief introduction to Microsoft Word interface. So now let me share my Microsoft Word interface. Let me stop sharing. So let me share my screen again. So let me share my screen again. So please, can you all see my screen? Please, if you can see my screen, let me know in the chat, please. Please, can you all see my screen? Okay, so now, as you open your Microsoft Word interface, Microsoft Word application, this is how it will look like. So as you can see now, this white interface you are seeing is the paper. You know our normal A4 paper that we used to print. So this is it. So you see, this is our A4 paper. By default, this is our A4 paper. So now let's start by explaining the Microsoft Word interface. So now, this is what we call quick access toolbar. This is what we call a quick access toolbar. The main function of this quick access toolbar is whenever you find yourself maybe using one maybe using one ribbon, you frequently use it. So instead of you to enter the menu bar, then go and click the ribbon, so you can just click on that ribbon and bring it here. So this is quick access toolbar. So as the name appear, you can see quick access toolbar. So now this is quick access toolbar. This is the name. This is the name of our file. This is how our file will appear before we save it. Like you see, this is document 3. So if we save it now, the name from document 3 will change. Maybe we save it as administration. So this document 3 now will turn to what? Administration. So all this now, this file, home, insert, draw, design, layout, up to here, all these headers now are what we call what? Menu bars. They are what we call menu bars. So under each menu bar, we have what we call what? Ribbon. So if you click on the menu bar, you see what we call what? A ribbon. So all this now, all this, they are ribbons under what? Under home. Home is a menu bar. So all this paste, cut, copy, format, penta, bold, italic, under all this now, they are the ribbons under what? Under menu bar. Then if we click on insert, you see the ribbons has changed. You see? If we click on insert now, so all these are the ribbons under what? Under insert. Insert is a menu bar. So by clicking on it, all the ribbons under it will appear. Then under draw is also a menu bar. So these are the ribbons under draw menu bar. Then come to design. Design is also a menu bar. So all these are ribbons under menu bar. Under this design menu bar, we also have layout. These are the ribbons under it. We also have references. We also have mailings. We also have review. We also have view. We also have developer. We also have help. So all these are menu bars. And the ribbons under it, and what is under it are the ribbons. So this is what we call menu bars, and these are the ribbons under it. Then we come to file. So this file is used when you want to, when you click on it, it has some features under it. So what we have under file, we have home, we have new, we have open, we have info, save, save as, print, share, export, close, account option. So now this home now, if you click on home, you are already in home. This is our home. This interface is our home. So now we want to create a new document. So by clicking here, new. So you see, we are in new. So this is our blank document. So if you click on this blank now, you want to open a blank document. Then this open now. So maybe you have done a work, so you want to open it. So you see, these are all my recent works. See, these are all my recent works. So this open now, by clicking on it, it will help you what? To open all your recent document. And if your work is not in this recent document, you can navigate to folder. So you see, here are all the folder, are all my folders. So you see, maybe the work I want to search on is under this folder. So you see, if I click on it, then I'll go and open it. So that's all about this open. Then we have info. This one will just show you the information regarding your work, what you have done on your Microsoft Word. So it will just show you the information. We have save. This save is when, if you open a new file, this save and this save as has the same work. If you click on save now, right? So now it will ask you where you want to save your file. This is a new file. You just open a new file. So if you click on save, it will ask you where did you want to save your file. That is save as. So before you save it as save as, save and save as, they work the same. So now maybe we want to save our file maybe in the inside this folder. This is the folder. This or let me see. Please, can you all see my screen? If you can see my screen, please let me know. Okay. Even me, my network is not good, please. Let's just manage and finish the class. We have less than 9 minutes. Okay, let's continue. So as I said, this save now, by clicking on this save. So maybe let me look at our administration folder. Maybe I have deleted it. So maybe let's say this is where we want to save our file. So you see, so let's say we want to save our file as admin. So by clicking on save now, so you see, now, if we come back here to this, to this name, before it is document 3, but now that we have saved it, it has turned to what? Admin. So that's the work of this save now. So now save as, maybe you want to, this is not the name you want to save it. So now, if this save, like I said earlier, this save and this save as, they work almost the same if you did not save your file before. But now that you have saved it, maybe you want to change the name. So by just clicking on this save as now, you will also choose your destination using this PC. Maybe so now, maybe we want to change it to, let's say, admin 1. So you see, now the name has changed to what? Admin 1. So that's the difference between save and save as. While this save now, if you are working, maybe you have typed something, uh, maybe you said, my name is Ali Muhammad, maybe from Hammad Technologies. So now if you want to save it, So you just come here and click on save. But also we have another save here. This is what? This is another save. So because we frequently use save, that is why they pick it and put it on this word, on this quick access toolbar. So that's why I said quick access toolbar, anything that you find yourself using frequently, so you can just pick it and drop it in this quick access toolbar. So you see, so this is all about file. Then if you want to print, you can just come here and print, or if you want to share document, or if you want to export, or if you want to close. So this is all about file. So now let me talk on this quick access toolbar. Like I said, this save now, because we find ourselves using save more frequently. So that's why we see this our save is in quick access toolbar. So now let's say this bold now. Let's say we find ourselves using this bold frequently. So by just clicking on it, so you see, it will tell you what? Add to quick access toolbar. So by just clicking on it now, so you see, it has added it to our quick access toolbar. So maybe let's see under this design, or let's see under this insert. Let's say we find ourselves using these comments more frequently. So we'll just click on it and add it on what? And add it on quick access toolbar. So you see, now if we want to add comments, no need for us to leave this our home menu bar and come to this inside menu bar, then come here and click on comment. No, you just click on it here. See, you just click on bold. Comment, you just click on comment. So you see, so this is how this quick access toolbar work. It's just it's just something that each ribbon you find yourself using it, so you can just yeah, Serena, even me too, my network is not good. Please, let's just manage and finish the class, because actually it is raining here in Gusau. So let's just manage. We have less than 5 minutes, I think. So this is all about Microsoft Word interface. Then this is where if you want to zoom, or you want to zoom your page, or uh if you want to reduce it. So this is where you reduce it. Then this is drag button. Yeah, this is drag button. This is where you want to share. This is minimize, and this is restore down. This is maximum. So this is all about Microsoft Word interface. We have quick access toolbar, we have menu bars, and we have ribbons. Each menu bar has its own ribbon. Quick access toolbar is when you find yourself working frequently with a ribbon. So you just right click on it and then put it there. Then we'll also talk on file, how to save a file and how to save as a file. If you save as a file, so anything you type, you have to save it, because if you do not save it and you quit from your Microsoft Word, so if your Microsoft Word is not that version of Microsoft Word that automatic save works, so you lost your work. So this is all about Microsoft Word interface. So please, if you have any question, please you can ask. I think we have less than 4 minutes or 5 minutes. So if you have any question, you can drop it in the chat. So this is just introduction to Microsoft Word interface. As we go on, inshallah, tomorrow we'll continue with, we'll start a practical on this Microsoft Word. So if you have any question, please drop it in the chat. Any question, please? If you have any question, please drop it in the chat. And these ribbons, we'll explain them one by one, inshallah. I think tomorrow we'll explain each menu bar, and each ribbon under each menu bar, we'll explain it. We explain the function under it. I cannot, maybe not all, but the main ones, the main important ones, inshallah, we'll explain them all, the main important ribbons. Inshallah, for your level, we'll explain them all, inshallah. So please, if you have any question, you can drop it in the chat. If you don't have any question, I think you can call it a day before my network take me out of the meeting. So if you have any question, please drop it before my network took me out of the meeting, please. Okay, thank you. Thank you. You are welcome. You are welcome. Please, if you have any question, you can drop it in the chat. If not, for the absence of any question, I think we can call it a day. So thank you.